On the Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine, not only do you have the fabulous built-in walking foot or IDT system on the back here, but you also have the ability for difficult fabrics to adjust the pressure of the foot, how firm it sits down on your fabric. So right here it has a 1, 2, an N, and a 4 and a 5. So if you don't know where to be, N is where you should be, normal. So what are we changing that for? Let's say you're sewing along some fabric and it is coming out wavy, even so. That means the foot is squishing that fabric so tight against the feet dogs, and it's stretching it while it's sewing. So that's why it's getting pulled out of shape. So what if we could tell you, you could take the foot pressure, how firm this is sitting on the fabric, and make it so it's not so heavy. It's going to just gently sit on the fabric, kind of almost glide across of it. Think of like a hovercraft. So let's take it to 2 or even 1. And you can almost like lift this foot up. It just like is barely sitting on this fabric. What if you were some knit fabric and that foot wasn't sitting as heavy? That foot's going to glide across and make it not get stretched while it's sewn. Now, you probably aren't going to need to use this a lot. Trust me, this is not a dial that I need to change every time I sew something stretchy. But in that rare opportunity, this machine has the feature. I've also been known, if necessary, to take it to a heavier pressure, even more, or its max at 5 on heavy fabrics. We're talking upholstery fabrics, denim fabrics with multiple layers. Now, if you're sewing that, which this machine will go through, you just need to have the right needle on and make sure you're using a very good quality thread. So the right needle would be like a denim needle, a top stitch needle, and probably a needle of a slightly bigger size, like a 90/14 or even bigger at 100/16. Just depends on your fabric choice. Just remember, leave yourself some type of notation, like a sticky note, to remind you to put that back to normal once you're done sewing such a crazy project that even required you to change it in the first place. Because then you're going to see some other not great stitches, maybe if it was too heavy or too loose on your next fabric.